Hey guys, it's Ariel. Okay, I am really excited because today I am really going to show you something really cool. I just got a new Edward Cullen stand-up thing, and it's really cool. I'll show you guys. Look. See? There's Edward Cullen. Oh wait, there he is. Yeah, see? There's Edward Cullen. Ooh. Oh yeah, there he is. I love doing that. My friends always make fun of me for doing that, but hey, whatever. It's fun. And it's really surprising because this thing was only $15 when I got it on eBay, and originally it was $30. I know, right? Shocking for a cardboard stand-up, but that's the way it goes. And second of all, what's really exciting is that, like, right after the premiere, everything is done. They're going to shoot Eclipse, and guess when it's coming out? June 30th, 2010. It's freaking amazing. I know, it's so awesome. And they're already talking about Breaking Dawn, which makes it even better. So, that's my update for today. I'll probably make another one like 5 minutes or something. But email me or anything if you have any comments, questions, problemos, anything if you want me to do any suggestions of a movie or or a show or something like that. But I know my voice sounds horrible. I have a freaking cold right now, but it'll go. It always does. So I will talk to you guys a little later. Bye.